Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got some Fioboc pants, and these are size 34. You can see it says 34 on there. And these are like jeans and black jeans. And I needed something to look nicer because I've been dressing like a schlub the last few years. And so these are some good slim fit kind of jeans. Boy, these look nice. These are really nice. And they got a little bit of elasticness to it, which is what I like. So let me try these on here. I do have underpants on, so you're not going to get too much of a show here, but let's put these on. Let me unzip this and I'll put them on and we'll see how good they fit. And I got slim pants, slim fit. Oh man, these are great. These are the most comfortable jeans I've ever worn in my life. Okay, so this is how they are here. They've got stretchy on there, so I'm a 30, I usually wear like a 32 or 33, and I could probably go all the way up to a 36 on these same ones. But they are good. They feel good around my legs. You can see they're nice. Got a good, somewhat tight, slim fit. Pull up my shirt here a little bit. And it's got this belt loop, so I can put a belt on if I wanted to. And these are black, and the length is even just right for me too. I'm about 5'10". I'm gonna aim you guys down here if I can move some of my junk out of the way so you can see what I'm talking about here. So there we go, right there. So you can see this is what it looks like here. And they are nice and black, and they got good pockets on there and good pockets on the front. Boy, these pockets are deep. I could put my phone in there, no problem. A couple of strings hanging off it. Ooh, what was that? Oh, it's inspected by number 13. So there we go. So these are nice. I really like these pants. So I'll be wearing these. You'll be seeing me wearing these.